Hello everyone. So welcome to this channel. Uh, so, so this is the video of introduction to JS series. This is the first video on JS series. Uh, so in this video we'll go hands-on and we'll try to learn about JS in in a brief manner. So let's come to this. Uh, when it comes to web development, there are three important things that everyone should know. Every web developer should know. That is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So today, in this series, in this first video, we will focus on JavaScript. All right. So without more introduction and more talking, let's get our hands on JavaScript. So the first question that will come into your mind is where should we execute the JavaScript code, where to write JavaScript code. That's not a problem. Either you don't even need a IDE or a code editor to run JavaScript code. You can simply run the JavaScript code or write the JavaScript code in any latest browser. Any browser would work. For now, I am using Chrome browser. To write your code, let's first go to uh, the developer options. So just click here, and here if you go more tools, here you will go in developer tools, and yeah. So by default you will land on this elements page. So you can go to console, and here is your JavaScript your playground ready. You can open this just by pressing F12 on your keyboard, or Control Shift I. That will also open this uh, developer options. So let's start our JavaScript journey with very simple printing, like how to print uh, some text, or like this is the first step that we do while learning any programming language. We try to learn how to print word, and that is hello world. So let's do that. To print anything in JavaScript, it is very simple. We'll use console.log, and by the way, this is console. Here whatever outputs we want to see from JavaScript, we can see this. See here. So let's add to parenthesis, and we'll write our message hello world. Sorry, this is world. And let's hit enter, and here we have hello world. So that looks good. So this is how you can print hello world. You can also print some numbers. So let's see that. Since we are, this is a basic beginner, the first video in JavaScript will not go in much details, but we will in the further coming videos. Here we can write some numbers. 9.5. Here it is. If you've noticed, I have added these two parentheses. Uh, uh, Sorry, this is not parentheses, double quotes. So I've added two double quotes here. That means this is not a number, this is a string. We'll go into details of that in later. But if you want to print a number, we'll go directly console.log, and we want to print number 2. Then you can also do some calculation here. So let's do that. Console.log 2 plus 2, and hit enter. It is 4. Sometimes you don't need to do this calculation in this console log. If you want to do it on the programming part without showing it on the console, you can directly do that. Since we are using we are in the console, we don't need to write console log here. But when you are running your when you're writing your code into some editor, and you want to check that code here in the console log, you need to write this console log. All right, so let's we can do this. 4 plus, sorry, that was not, that is 4. Here if you see, and I hit enter, 8 is there. So that is working. I can do 4 minus 4. or 4 multiply by 4, 4 divide by 4. Oh, sorry, it is not 4 divide by 4. That is fine. All right, so this is all. And again, this is all we have written, and we don't want to. If you want to clear this thing, there is simple function clear, hit parenthesis, opening and closing, and hit enter, and it is all closed. So this is the basic of how JavaScript is. Uh, to get your interest on working and learning JavaScript, this is the first video on JavaScript. So for now, we'll just remember this. Try to practice this thing. Thank you for watching, and do hit like and subscribe. I know it is this channel will only have this channel is only having one video, but this is the first beginning, and this is the first video in the process of making a series. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.